doing makeup tutorials. Halloween is almost upon us, and thusly so. We shall be creating something super funky today for you for Halloween. And there are lots of different looks going around, but I thought I would combine today something super pretty and glam and something gory for the best of both worlds. So today I will be turning myself into a super pretty, at the same time super gross, super gory Scarecrow type sunflower thing. So if you'd like to see how I am going to do all of this, then keep on watching. This is commitment. I will be gluing down my eyebrow today. So I've just gone and filled in some of the yellow petals on the flower, and then these parts that I've outlined here are going to be yellow in as well, but I don't want to get confused with all these shapes going on. So I'm going to go ahead and add some definition and some shading with some orange and red into the petals and outline, and then I will come back to these. Right now this sort of looks like a hot mess, like I don't know, I woke up like this with this tattooed on my face from a really bad but it's an in-between stage and we're getting there. Also this eyebrow, it's a work in progress, people. And I think I'm going to sort of ombre the petals, so go like orange, like red, orange, yellow out. So, but let's start with the orange first. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I'm just gonna now even further add some more dimension with the red from the Unicorn Sauce palette. Hello, Pablo. Just to create dimension from when I want to add more petals over here. So I just want to define the spaces so that you can see the difference between which is which petal. Okay, so I decided these were going to be my extra petals, but then when I did it I just thought that it would just look better to make these the leaves as opposed to doing like this big leaf over here and here. Just thought this would look cuter. So I'm going in the light green shade from the Unicorn Sauce palette, and then I'm going to go and ombre the leaves with darker shades. Okay, so I'm done with all my leaves now. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm hoping that everything now is going to be pulled together. I'm going to take my black eyeliner and I'm going to define the outside edges of the petals, and then I'm going to do the same outside of the leaves, and I'm going to add little specks of white into everything and hope that brings it to life. Okay, so here we have my sunflower. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. It took forever, but I'm quite happy with how it came out. Bar my eyebrow not being as blocked out as I wanted to. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to black out some part of my eye and add some glitter and make it look really pretty and glam. So to do that, I'm going to be using Steeler's Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Kitten and Karma. I've been wanting this for Kitten and Karma. Been wanting this forever, and Kaylee got it for my birthday, so I'm super keen to use this. And then I am going to be using shade Brownies, which is this dark cool tone brown. So excited for this part now. Ooh. So shiny. I think this might be one of my favorite things I've ever done so far. I just think it looks so pretty and cute, and now I'm going to go ahead and make it all evil and dark. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do like a basic brown smoky and match the gold on the side and do my eyebrows. Right, so this little tool right here is very handy when it comes to special effects. It's like a little sponge. I actually don't know what you call it. I think the name will put it on the screen as it pop up. But it's almost like this little sponge that creates texture, and you can do scratches and stuff. So I'm just going to put myself a scratch on the head and over here, I think. And I'm going to be using the Ben Nye FX wheel, and it's the 4 Master Bruises. As you can see, mine is very well used. And I'm going to be using this dark red shade. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is I am going to be taking modeling wax. This one is the GRAFTOBIANRBO one, and I am going to be modeling some little slits on my face. I'm going to fill with gallbladder to look like it's ripped, and then we are going to try and see if we can put the staples through them to look like stitches. So let's give this a go. So to do this, you need Vaseline to put on your hands to make them sticky, and you're going to take the wax and put it into a little bowl, and then you mold it into like a little snake and rub it between your hands, and then you apply it onto your face, and you're going to push it out to blend it flat onto your skin. And then you take your little toothpick and you draw a line like right down the middle to cut it open. Okay, I got my wax and I'm making a little snake. And you don't want to make it too thin, because then when you need room to blend it out on your face to your skin and to cut it down the middle. So try and make it into like sort of like a fat snake. So you just keep pulling at it until you feel like it's on the same level as your skin, like in terms of thickness. This is why I should have done the black after, but you live and you learn. It's fine. Alright, once you've got it to this stage, you're going to make a slit down the middle. Ooh! Dropping things everywhere. Take it and you make a slit. And then you buff out the edges so that they're more frayed, and fill that with gallbladder, and then you can foundation over all the spots to make it blend with your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of my slits because my camera's dying, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my camera died. What I carried on with was making all the little sections on my face down here with the wax, and I blended them out. And then I took my toothpick and I ran them through them to split it open, like I've got split sections in my face. And then I filled it in with the dark red and the light red from my Ben Nye BRUISE wheel. And now I'm going to add some gallbladder into these open sections on my face, and then we're going to slide the staples in, and let's hope it works. I think it's going to look cool. Yeah. Now we're going to dab some blood on. If you like this super scary, super glam at the same time Scarecrow thingamabobbie that we've got going on, then subscribe to our channel, give the video a like, comment below what you'd like to see, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye guys!